Okay, welcome SM1 honor students. Today we are looking at lesson 3.3. This is video part 1. So our content objective for today is understand the three different forms of linear equations: slope-intercept form, which we've been working on in class, point-slope form, and standard form. So the point-slope form is simply y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times x minus x sub 1. If you'll notice, if we were to take this equation and rearrange it so that we just have m, we could divide both sides by x minus x1, and we would get the equation for slope, y minus y1 for x minus x1. So that is the point-slope form. Slope-intercept form, this is simple. We've been doing this for several days now. Y equals mx plus b. That is the slope-intercept form. And then standard form is some value, some number, a of x plus b of y is equal to c. Okay, and we'll look at how the standard form and the point-slope form do match up with the slope-intercept form, which is what we've really been working with in the last few days. So let's look at these. Can you prove they're the same by manipulating the equations? So here we have, of course, we have our slope-intercept form. Okay, we've got y equals mx plus b. And here's a version. We have y equals negative 2x plus 8. So negative 2 is our slope, plus 8 is our y-intercept. Well, then here's the slope-intercept form again. And here's an equation. Y minus 4 equals negative 2 times x minus 2. You can see this is written in the point-slope form, where we actually have a couple of points. Okay, we actually have a y point and an x point that go together, but we don't have the other y and the other x point. But we can use this to actually find the slope-intercept equation. And the way we can do that, we can take y minus 4 equal, I'm going to take this negative 2 and I'm going to distribute it through this equation, or expression I should say, negative 2x plus 4. Okay, and now I can take this 4, add it to both sides, and I get y equals negative 2x plus 8, which is the same as our slope-intercept form over here. This last form, 2x plus 1y equals 8, this is the same equation, but it's written in standard form. Okay, a, that's the 2, b, that's the 1, then of course we have x and y, and then we have c, which basically just stands for the y-intercept. That's what the 8 is. That's what c is in this case. And so once again, I can rearrange this equation, and I can take 2x, subtract it from both sides, and I'm going to get y, because 1y is just y equals negative 2x plus 8. And we get the exact same equation.